Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the room cleaning order on MOVA V50 Ultra vacuum. To change the room cleaning order, you can either change it like permanently for the global cleaning, which I'll do first by clicking on the map editing button, then clicking on a cleaning order and selecting the order by dragging the rooms by holding on the three lines up or down, and it will adjust the order. That is applied only to global cleaning, which means to the cleaning that has all selected at the bottom. But you can also apply it temporarily just for the current cleaning by clicking on room and then selecting the rooms in the order that you'd like to clean them on. So for example, if I do room cleaning, I can clean just the living room, but I can clean all rooms by selecting all of them in my set order. You can see now there's one and there's two, so the living room will be cleaned first. I can also unselect them and change it like that. Or, as I said, clean just one room. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.